Ẹjẹ́ máa fún àwa ní àtẹ́wọ́.
Egbe Festival. I also extend special appreciation to our royal father and host, Royal Majesty Babatunde Adebowale Muideen Balogun Agmoshiwa, and other royal representatives today. My prayer that God will be with you as you continue to preserve our culture and tradition. Last year, when we started the maiden edition of Egbe Festival here in Egbe, many people didn't understand us. They didn't understand why we are celebrating Egbe Festival in Egbe. For those that didn't understand us are beginning to share our effort now. Egbe unraveling the myths and the reality of the Egbe companion and group. The reason for celebrating Egbe Festival in Egbe is also to bring all the scientific to the people of this community. Egbe is the heavenly and spiritual companion that associated us as a human being. It is the combination of the guiding spirit and the heavenly companion of group. Egbe has the spiritual potential to guide, to prosper, and project star of every man living on earth. A good example of having the heavenly companion Egbe is that it determines the fate of every human being. The heavenly companion Egbe, where in the spiritual realm, has this spiritual affinity with our guiding angel, popularly called Eleda in Yoruba parlance. Meanwhile, our guiding angel, Eleda, is at the center of everything that happens to us. The heavenly companion of group are behind all the groups that have been established in this world. When they are political parties, socio-cultural groups, whether they are political parties, socio-cultural group, club, even the United Nations, all have their roots and bound in the spiritual realm before they can be established in physical worlds. Major group or association that have a great potential and influence, and those with little or no potentials are products of spiritual group in heaven. Every political party in the world, or even the candidate, are certainly the product of spiritual group and companions. Egbe is the spiritual driver of our faith in life. It is a fact that no group, whether political party or social, can last beyond 3 months without the spiritual support of heavenly companion or group. Such is the power of the heavenly group. That that has made a very important to us as human beings. Life is measured by group or association. We found ourselves because it is a major factor through which the entire world is ruled and administered. It is the heavenly companion that brings development to the world. It is interesting to know that everybody are created from each of the heavenly group in the spiritual realm. But it is sad that our society has portrayed Egbe as evil. Unquote. Let me read it back. It is sad that our society has always portrayed Egbe as evil. Ó ṣe ní láàánú wípé ní àwùjọ wa a máa ń wo ẹgbẹ́ bíi ẹ̀mí òkú. Barrister ní èèyàn tí ò lẹ́gbẹ́ láyé á ní ẹgbẹ́ ní ọ̀run. Barrister ni bó ṣe kéwú tó ó ní tọ́jú ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ Àyìndé tọ́jú ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ Barrister Àyìndé o bó ṣe kéwú tó nìyẹn o ó mọ̀ túmọ̀ ẹgbẹ́. Nínú àwọn olórin tó kéwú jù láyé yìí Barrister jẹ́ kan. Ẹ máa tọ́ ẹ ń jẹ ní Yorùbá èmi lẹ́gbẹ́ tèmi o. Kò sí ẹni tó wà láyé tó bá ti ní ẹlẹ́dàá tó máa ní ẹgbẹ́. Because nígbà tí Ọlọ́run bá máa dá ẹ nínú group kan lọ́wọ́ tó máa mú ẹ jáde gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹlẹ́dàá. Combination of ẹlẹ́dàá òun náà pè ní ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀run làwọn adá ẹ wá sáyé. Bí ẹlẹ́dàá ẹ bá ṣe ń rìn tó bá tọ́jú ẹgbẹ́ ẹ dáadáa wọ́n máa wọ́n tẹ̀lé ẹ. Ibi tó kún bá ti fẹ́ jà ẹ́ àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ ló máa ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́. Let me say for the record of that, that Egbe is not that bad as being portrayed by our religious leaders and institutions. For instance, many people could have succeeded in life, but for their ignorance of the power of heavenly group. Those that failed in life, the criminals, the thugs, and they never do well as human beings because they couldn't recognize their guiding angels or spiritual group. But they didn't do well in life, probably because they didn't appease their heavenly groups. And they did not identify with their heavenly companion called Egbe. No matter how long we live on this earth, we will die and go back to the great beyond to join our heavenly and companion or groups. So as we celebrate Egbe Festival today, it is a reflection of our zeal and determination to promote the cultural identity of our race. What we are doing now with the festival and all our program is to enlighten the mass of the people on the need to know the truth about the myth and the reality of the heavenly companion and group. We are also using the various festivals to enlighten all Yoruba sons and daughters on the importance of promoting our tradition and culture. All our programs are key toward achieving our goals for the development and prosperity of Yoruba race. At the same time, we are urging all our religion leaders to stop using religion as a tool to denigrate our culture and tradition. There's a huge difference between religion, culture, and tradition. Unquote again. There's a huge difference between religion, culture, and tradition. We need to promote peace by being cautious of how we define the Yoruba culture and tradition to the believer of other faiths. So what we are doing today is not a jamboree. It is something that worthwhile. It is the basic. It is basically about the promoting peace and tranquility, orderliness in our society. It is our own way of spreading the truth about our culture and tradition as a way of life. I am happy to tell everybody present here today that we have various testimonies to share with our people. We see the impact every day. That is why we are appealing to the people to join us in the crusade to liberate our race from the bondage of ignorance. More important.
ìbà àgbàlagbà, ìbà ọmọdé, ìbà obìnrin, ìbà ọkùnrin. Mo kí gbogbo baálẹ̀, mo kí gbogbo olóyè. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò ní pọ̀ nítorí pé èyí tó pọ̀ jù ní ọ̀rọ̀ ni ààrẹ ti sọ fún wa lẹ́nu. Ṣé ohun tí a ṣe lénìí ó ti wà elaborate ju pé kí a máa yọ̀ wọ́n kọ̀ọ̀kan lẹ̀ because ó yẹ kí contribution mi fún ayẹyẹ pàṣẹlẹ̀ mi kó wà very obvious because wọ́n drop invite mi mo sì ní ọjọ́ kẹta mo travel mo dé ìjẹta bíbẹ̀ jùlọ kí ò ní bàjẹ́. Wọ́n ní culture and tradition nǹkan tó wà very important ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Olúkálùkù ló ní nígbà ní gbogbo Nàìjíríà olúkálùkù ló ní culture tiẹ̀ àti tradition tiẹ̀. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí tiwa parun. Àwọn òyìnbó gan-an fẹ́ fi ti Queen ṣe case study. Ìgbà tó ń lọ sí Queen during the ceremony wọ́n wá fa àgbò kan funfun wọ́n decorate kí la máa sọ pé wọ́n ṣe yẹn kí láfẹ́láfẹ́ àgbò yẹn ṣe àwọn náà dé wọ́n gbé Christianity fún wa wọ́n fún wa ní Islam ọ̀nà tó dáa ni ẹ jẹ́ káwa náà gbé tiwa lárugẹ ohun tá a ní là ń pọ́n lé ẹ jẹ́ ká tún àṣà wa lé mo rò pé ohun tó fi ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wípé kábíyèsí yẹ́lò ni ọmọ ṣẹṣẹ ìrọ̀lẹ́ pa mo mọ̀ ṣẹṣẹ jù yín lọ. Mo respect culture àti tradition. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí, ọmọ ìbílẹ̀ ni mí. Wọ́n dẹ̀ tọ́ mi, mo dẹ̀ gbọ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, àdúrà mi ni wípé eléyìí ti wá. Ṣùgbọ́n next year yẹn ẹ máa múra lẹ̀. Ẹ máa múra lẹ̀. Ààrẹ Ọlọ́run máa fún yín ṣe. Ọlọ́run máa fún yín ṣe. Gbogbo àtẹ̀ ń ta làwọn àdẹ̀wà behind yín strongly. Lágbára Ọlọ́run ní ṣìṣe ẹ máa lọrí ẹ máa bọ̀. God will strengthen you. We give you the power and the ability to keep doing what you're doing. Inshallah. Àtúnṣe tí wọ́n inshallah lágbára Jésù. Lágbára ọba mi ọwọ́ ìyá mi òṣèré. Ọkùnrin jọkùnrin lọ Ìbàdàn ní
àwọn ẹgbẹ́ Oòduà ti Ìbẹ̀jú Lẹ́kí lágbára Elédùmarè Oòduà náà gbé gbogbo wa o. Wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ inú mi dùn pé ààrẹ sọ lẹ́ǹkan pé ẹni tí ò bá lẹ́gbẹ́ láyé kò ní ní lọ́run. Wọ́n ní àwọn olórin kan náà tó sọ wọ́n ní ẹ̀rẹ̀gbẹ́ wa bí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀yin játijàti ẹ̀rẹ̀gbẹ́ wa bí. Ẹgbẹ́ náà á gbé gbogbo wa o. Nígbà tí Barrister wà láyé ó ní láti kékeré lòun ti mọ̀ pé lẹ́gbẹ́ lòun. Olóhùn dẹ̀ ṣèpèsè wọ́n dẹ̀ gbà lọ́wọ́ òun wọ́n ní pé gúnugún kì í kú léwe bóun àpẹ́ láyé lágbára Elédùmarè gbogbo ara máa pẹ́ láyé. mo rí àwọn ẹgbẹ́ tìdí ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ó mú mi rántí ìgbà èwe mi. mo ní àǹtí kan ìdí ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ náà ti lọ máa ń mú gbogbo ìgbà ọ̀títọ́ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣe sàárà ẹgbẹ́ yẹn fún kára ẹ̀ tó balẹ̀ lágbára Elédùmarè Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ àṣẹgbẹ́ ṣe o. Ìbà Gani Adams mo dúpẹ́ púpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ yín. OPC Oòduà People Congress ní Nàìjíríà ẹ̀yin lẹ bí OPU abẹ́yìn kọ́ ni parent OPU mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. àwọn OPU mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn. mo fẹ́ fi àkókò yìí sọ pé gbogbo ẹrù tí ẹ̀yin OPU Canada tẹ́ fi ránṣẹ́ sí Ìbà Gani Adams àti aṣọ àti kọ̀ǹpútà gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá ni Gani Adams ló fi jíṣẹ́ ńlẹ̀ o. nítorí àwa ti ìlú Oòduà Ayédolú báàgì ńlá 4 ni ààrẹ fi ránṣẹ́ sí mi pé kí n pín fún aráàlú. nígbà tá a dẹ̀ ṣe fídíò yẹn tó fi ránṣẹ́ sáré inú ààrẹ tó dùn wọ́n tún fi báàgì 4 míì ránṣẹ́ sí mi. lẹ́yìn náà wọ́n fi kọ̀ǹpútà 2 wọ́n fi ránṣẹ́ pé kí n gbé kan sí skul kí n dẹ̀ gbé kan sáàfin. mo dẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mo sẹ́ndì fọ́tò yẹn sí bàbá. ìyẹn fi hàn yín pé gbogbo nǹkan tó fi rán ààrẹ Gani Adams gbogbo ẹ̀ ló fi jíṣẹ́ ńlẹ̀ o. Ọlọ́run á ràn wá lọ́wọ́. ẹ̀yin ọmọ wa tẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣerú eléyìí Ọlọ́run á bùsí fún yín. ẹ̀ ní pàdánù wọn ní rúkú yín wá bá wa ńlẹ̀ o. ààrẹ mo tún fẹ́ fi àkókò yìí dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé short notice mo fún yín gbà tí mo ṣe birthday mi bẹ́ẹ̀ làárẹ̀ wá bẹ́ẹ̀ níwọ̀n dẹ̀ kọjú. ìgbà tó fẹ́ máa lọ wọ́n láti kọ́kọ́ gbà yọ̀ǹda lọ́wọ́ mi pé ṣé àwọn lè máa lọ mo ní mo yọ̀ǹda bàbá Ọlọ́run á pọ́n yín lé àjọṣe wa ò ní bàjẹ́. lẹ́yìn náà ẹ̀yin ọba tẹ́ wà ládùúgbò yìí pàápàá ṣáàmánu OPC Ìbẹ̀jú Lẹ́kì ẹ túbọ̀ ṣàtúnṣe dáadáa o. ó yẹ kó ọba pọ̀ jù báyìí lọ. ìgbà tá a débì làwọn ọba kan tó mọ̀ pé wọ́n ṣe nǹkan tó jọ báyìí. tá a bá lè wá láti Àgbówá area tá a wá síbi táwọn ọba tó dẹ̀ wà ní jurisdiction ìtọ́ ọ̀gbọ́n kò ṣe nǹkan tó bójú mu. nígbà tí àrùn ráàjì wọn mọ́lé wọn ni. tó ẹ̀ka ti gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ àti pè wọ́n Onílẹ̀kí wà ń bí Ọ̀ṣọ̀rọ̀kọ̀ wà ń bí bàbá Oníṣà wà ń bí bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ àwọn ọba àjọ máa ń ṣe ni. ẹjọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀mí kẹjọ kẹbà àròmọ́ rẹ̀ kẹjẹ túbọ̀ gbé kínní lárugẹ. Ọlọ́run á gbà fún yín o kò ní bàjẹ́ fún wa o. adélébárí o àrìnàkórè o àkóyábí o gbogbo ẹni tó bá rúbi rù wá lágbára Elédùmarè. gbogbo iṣẹ́ tàdá bá fogún ọdún ṣe ìdùbúlẹ̀ ló ti ń jẹ́ gbogbo àwọn ọ̀tá wa ìdùbúlẹ̀ àìsàn lọ́mọ ti máa jẹ iṣẹ́ wọ́ wọn. Ìbà Gani Adams téèyàn bá bínú ẹ lágbára.